Now I hope I don't get flack for using the wrong type of oil, so I'll be using a water-based oil. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video today, you'll be getting episode 2 of Keeping It G. And if you already guessed what we're going to be doing, you see the hood is up, the car is up off the floor. We are going to be doing an oil change. Now if you heard me say water-based oil, of course you know that's a joke, right? So in this video today, I went with the brand Pennzoil, right? And it's the Platinum Full Synthetic SAE 5W30, and then I have a STP oil filter. Yes, it was on sale, so I just went ahead and picked this up. To help me to do this, I'm going to be using this funnel, pour the oil in, and an oil pan, or whatever you want to call this thing. Alright, so let me go ahead and suit up, and let's jump into this. Should be pretty quick. Wow. So right now we're up under the car. Like I said, it's already been raised up in the air, and you can see I have an oil filter there, and the cap is right here. Not the cap, but the bolt is there. I've already loosened this up, and I've already loosened the oil filter up, and what I'm using as a flashlight is this thing. It's really cool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you guys can go pick one up. And it's basically a headband, and it's sensitive to your hand, so you can wave your hand as well, turn it on and off. It's really slick. But anywho, let's get this done. So I am going to try to do this without spilling anything, and make sure that thing is there. The oil is a little hot, so well, it's not hot, but it's a little warm. Hey, there we go. Put that there, and I'm going to take that rubber off. And I normally do this without messing my hand up, and look, today will be the exception, right? That's just how life is. And I think I've started to mess my hands up already. Yeah. Alright. There it goes. Woo! I'll give that a couple minutes and let that run out. Should be a pretty quick, simple, and easy video. I'm going to remove this O-ring as well. So let the oil drain, and you see it's pretty dirty. Yeah, that's not good, but it is what it is. Let's give it a couple minutes and then we'll jump back into it. So whenever I'm working on anything that's nut, bolt, or screw related, I like to take a look at it just to see how it is. And this looks good, the washer looks good, so all I did was clean it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and slap this bad boy back in. So I got the bolt back in, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the filter. So what I like to do is let's get a little oil on my hand and just go around the perimeter of this thing here. Matter of fact, this is easier. Just dip it in once, and boom. Alright, just go around the perimeter like that, so that when you're tightening it the O-ring doesn't move. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it over the piece that's in there, and basically if you feel you feel like it's cross-threading, or if you think it's cross-threading, you stop right away. Okay, so I've got some light for you. Doesn't need to be too tight, it just needs to be tight enough. So I'm gonna go ahead, wipe this up, and then just use the rag, tighten it a little more. And guys, comment down below what oil do you guys recommend that I use. I see Danny Z, he uses Pennzoil, and he has a boosted G. So like if he's using this oil and it's a boosted G, then I shouldn't get any issues with this. And I've been using Pennzoil for years. Once again, here am I giving free promo, and I'm not sponsored. Pennzoil, talk to me. Alright, and we're basically done with under the car. So we're gonna go ahead and just move this oil pan out the way. Like I said, a pretty quick video. So the nut size, or the bolt size, it is a, what is this? 9/16. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the current metric down below, so because I don't know what the hell 9/16 is, but I always try to put it down below in the comment section so you can see what it is. And like I said, everything that I use in today's video will be tagged, or it's an affiliate link I should say. So you can do this. You got the headband here, press it again, it gets brighter, switches to this, press it again, it gets lower, turns off, and then this piece, you press this button, you wave your hand right here. So if I do this, turns on, see that? Turns on, off. See? That's it, it's pretty cool. Okay, car is back on the floor. We're going to go ahead and open the oil filler cap. Go ahead and get this. Throw it in. Like I said, I'm using the Pennzoil 5W30. Also, and this is the 5-quart bottle. I also bought an additional quart because sometimes, if you don't know, VQs, they tend to burn oil. Not only that, I've seen, or I'm smelling now where there's oil burning because it's dripping on my exhaust. So my valve cover gaskets needs to be done. So I intend on doing those in the future, not me. I'm going to bring it to a shop and get it done. But for now, go ahead and you throw in 5-quart. You're right at the fill line. Hope you're seeing it. We're right that little hole there, so we're good. And like I said, I always keep a quart with me, not in the car, but I keep a quart at all times in the garage, so that, you know, whenever, because I check my oil every 2 weeks just to see where I'm at, and if I see where it needs to be topped off, I go ahead and I top it off. And one thing too, I always check it when the car has been sitting for a couple hours, or when the oil is not at operating temp. This is done, and now what we gotta do is throw this oil in here and then get that oil recycled. Now that we got the oil in the car, the front is sealed, we're gonna go ahead and jump in, start it up. And as you can see, guys, I'm doing some lights, interior change, video coming soon. I've just been good, but I'm gonna get it to you. Here goes nothing. Sounds good to me. Normally keep it running for about 2 minutes, just to let that oil, that new oil, run through the system. Here's something I haven't done in a minute for you guys. Woo! Boy. I think we're done here. And after that, I normally go ahead and I check the oil level once more. Like I said, that's it. It's a quick oil change. There's more coming to the series real soon. And this is what, episode 2. First episode got tremendous feedback, and just stay tuned. There's more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, everything that I use in this video is going to be in the description box below. Right, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway for that. So guys, stay tuned. We have 100 and something more subs to go. But I really do appreciate you guys for being there for me and just watching the content. And if you like what you see, just subscribe for more, like the video, leave a comment, let me know where you're from, let me know what you want me to do. Thank you guys so much for watching.